based on what you're telling us.
Yeah, man.
The first show, Donovan, this is everybody's guess. Right?
March.
Everybody's wondering when. Where?
March.
Where?
March. Jamaica.
Jamaica, the first show.
Jamaica, yeah, man.
Jamaica, March.
Yeah.
The first show for Buju Banton, March in Jamaica.
Yes.
So all you Jamaicans who were ruffled by news that he may be appearing somewhere else before, now you know.
Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about none other than Buju Banton. And as you guys know, I was the first one to tell y'all when he was coming out of prison and going into Jamaica. So let's get into this story. And it says it's official. Buju Banton's first major performance will be held on March 16 at the National Stadium in St. Andrew. Ronnie Tomlinson, publicist for the Grammy-winning DJ, confirmed the date with Jamaica Star yesterday, noting tickets will be going on sale as early as January 16th. 2 months before the highly anticipated performance by the artist, who was recently released from the United States prison after serving a near 10-year sentence on a drug-related charges. She, however, could not speak any further details regarding the concert. Buju Banton posted on his social media pages giving notice of the upcoming show. And on his social media page, he said, "It's truly been a long walk to freedom, but I give thanks for the outpouring of love and support over the past 9 years. I look forward to seeing and thanking you all on the Long Walk to Freedom tour beginning March 2019, said Buju. Meanwhile, a veil of secrecy surrounds the activities of American producer, record executive DJ Khaled and Buju Banton. A source close to Khaled noted that he is scheduled to leave the country on Sunday, but declined to further any details regarding the work being done on collaboration. DJ Khaled had made it clear he's working on music for his Father of Ashad album while here in Jamaica, but has remained tight-lipped on whether or not Buju Banton will be included on the project. The producer, who arrived on the island Sunday, has taken to social media, sharing his moments with not only Buju Banton but other artists including Bounty Killer, Sizzla, and retired track and field superstar Usain Bolt. However, the Instagram posts getting the most traction are showcasing Buju Banton meeting Khaled, his wife, and son Ashad. There are also videos featuring Buju Banton in the studio with the music mogul. I'm in Jamaica and history is being made. Working on Father of Ashad, my son in Jamaica is the biggest blessing, he noted on an Instagram post. Me coming back to Jamaica is like so special to me. I'm embracing the blessings and embracing the vibes. Working on Father of Ashad, which is one of my biggest albums ever. Buju is home. I'm gonna visit all my friends. Pull up on them. It's pure love, he mused. On March 1st, 2018, Khaled announced his 11th studio album, Father of Ashad, and its leading single, Top Off, feature Beyonce, Jay-Z, and Future. On July 23rd, Khaled announced this next single titled No Brainer, featuring Justin Bieber, Chance the Rapper, and Quavo, which was released January 27. There is no confirmed release date for the project. And for all the people that are saying that some Jamaicans don't trust DJ Khaled, those are the Jamaicans that don't know Khaled's history. Khaled has been porter and pioneer for our culture for over 2 decades now. Okay, so for all the people that talk about they don't trust him and he's a culture vulture, you guys need to get your facts straight and get some knowledge. This man has been pushing reggae music and pushing our artists and collabing with our artists for over 2 decades. Okay, and if Bounty and people like Sizzla and Buju Banton can be friends with this man. What do you think? So as you heard in the article, Buju Banton, Buju first, okay, concert is going to be on March 16th, okay, and the tickets will be going available as early as January 16th. So make sure you save on the money from now. Like income tax, check them where the plan for spend out. Make sure you save it, because Jamaica is going to be lit. Okay, you're gonna need your tickets, you're gonna need your flight, you're gonna need your hotel, you're gonna need your fresh pants and fresh shoes. Okay, you're going to need to be lit, and you may just see Brains and the Beat and SouFloTv there. Okay, don't tell nobody me say that. Okay, it's still not confirmed yet. Okay, but your girl is super duper excited that Buju Banton's first concert is going to be in his homeland, Jamaica. Okay, a lot of us were very worried because his first show was scheduled for Trinidad and Tobago. But Buju not left out the yardies, them in left out in people, in left out in homeland. Big up to Trinidad and Tobago, said we. Y'all time is coming. But all of who they say from 10 years ago can officially start packing. The date is confirmed, March 16. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.